Yeah, good morning students. In my last video, introduction to A level, the only difference between AS level and A level trigonometry is internal part differentiation. So I thought of stressing more on it even in this video as well. So this video will all about stressing the internal part differentiation. See here. Now if it is d by dx of 8x, in AS level I told 8 number along with a letter number will come out, so 8 into d by dx of x, which is 8. Clear? Now same thing, had it been 8 plus x, then this gets applied to this and this gets applied to this. When it is 8x, it means it's a single term. 8 plus x means both are two different terms, so to each one you need to apply the differentiation. When you apply to 8, it is 0. When you apply to x, it is 1. Did you understand? Now the same case when there is a letter y. D by dx of 8y. Same thing, number letter together, the number will come out. 8 into d by dx of y. This cannot be simplified, so leave it like that. Now if it is d by dx of 8 plus y, method is same. This needs to be applied to each of it. So for 8 it is 0. For y it is d by dx of y. This you cannot do anything, so you must leave it like that only. Clear? Yeah, look at one more example. If it is d by dx of 8x square, how much do I get? 8 comes out, d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square is 2x. Sum completed. Now if the same thing is with 8y square, first 8 will come out, d by dx of y square. What is, again I cannot differentiate y square directly, I assume it to be x first. So now it is of the form x square. So x square differentiation is 2x into, this internal part is only important in A level, into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have assumed should not be missed. If there is x, no need of that internal thing, but other than x, if any other letter, internal part should be there at last. So this is the answer. One more example. Now if it is d by dx of 16x cube, so what do I get? 16 comes out, d by dx of x cube, which is 16 into 3x square. It's directly x cube, so 3x square I have written. So here d by dx of, had it been 16y cube, 16 will come out, d by dx of y cube. In place of x you have something, so that should be taken, that should be assumed to be x. So it is 16 into y cube is nothing but x cube. In place of, you are assuming y to be x. So x cube differentiation is 3x square. So in place of x you put y square into d by dx of whatever you have assumed in place of x, y. This is the answer. This should not be missed at any cost. Now next example. Had it been d by dx of 16 into x cube plus 2 power 2. Now how do you do? 16 again comes out, d by dx of x cube plus 2 power 2. Now 16 here. This entire thing you need to assume it to be x. Fair enough. So what is x square differentiation? 2x it is. So it is 2 into, in place of x, whatever you have assumed. Here also into internal part, into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have assumed. In all previous cases, if it is only x, no need of writing that internal part. Other than x, any other letter, internal part should be there. So now it is 16 into 2 into x cube plus 2 into. This gets applied to this one and also to this one. When it is applied on x cube, I get 3x square. When it is applied on 2, I get 0. So till here, the sum stops. Now same thing, had it been d by dx of 16 into y cube plus 2 power 2. Again, in place of x, this thing is there. So what is x square differentiation? 2x it is. So 16 comes out, 2x means 2 into in place of x whatever you have considered, into in place of x whatever you have assumed, that differentiation at last. This is the only point, that's why I am stressing it out. So now place it on each of it. So it becomes 16 into 2 into y cube plus 2 into, now again d by dx of y cube, again you will assume it to be x. So x cube differentiation is 3x square in place of xy into d by dx of in place of x whatever you have assumed. So it is y. For 2 it is 0, so I didn't write. This is the final answer. Am I clear with all these examples? Look at next example now. If it is d by dx of x plus x square, this d by dx gets applied to this one and also to this one. Then how much do you get? Let us write that then. D by dx of x plus d by dx of x square. Here they get cancelled, it is 1, and over here it is 2x. Clear? Now had it been y, d by dx of y plus y square, how much do you get? First step is same, this gets applied to this and also to this. So d by dx of y plus d by dx of y square. Clear? So now this cannot be simplified. So you have to leave it like that. This can be simplified by assuming y to be x. So in place of y, if I assume x, so it is of the form x square. What is x square differentiation? 2x. So which is 2y into d by dx of in place of x whatever you have assumed. You assumed it to be y, so this is where it needs to be stopped. You should not miss this internal part differentiation. Now, if there is some other example, let us say if it is 1 by x plus 2, let us say. Again, this directly you cannot differentiate, this goes up. So it is x plus 2 power minus 1. D by dx of this you want to find out. So you will assume this to be x. So it is of the form x power minus 1. Minus 1 into x plus 2 power minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2 into d by dx of whatever you have assumed in place of x. So now this gets applied to each of it. So minus 1 into x plus 2 power minus 2 into dx by dx is 1. For 2 it is 0. So this is where you stop. Now if there has been some other letter, d by dx of 1 by y plus 2. First this should be taken to the numerator. So I get y plus 2 power minus 1. Directly I cannot differentiate. I will assume it to be x. So x power minus 1. Minus 1 into y plus 2 power minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Whatever you have assumed in place of x, that differentiation must and should be kept. Now this applies to this and also to this. So it becomes minus 1 into y plus 2 power minus 2 into d by dx on y. For 2 it is 0. So it is minus 1 into y plus 2 power minus 2 into dy by dx. This thing should not be missed. Am I clear with that? I did 2 videos so that you don't miss this dy by dx. Am I clear with all these examples? Okay, thank you.